So I am on my E-Trade dividend portfolio. That's right, I have two dividend portfolios. And I have Arbor Realty Trust in my E-Trade dividend portfolio. And I currently have 713 shares. I did buy more. And estimated income quarterly, $306.76. So in theory, nothing's guaranteed, of course, but think about this. 306 times 4, that's pretty nice. And it's going to get to the point where eventually I'm going to use that passive income for Arbor Realty Trust to buy my dividend growth stocks. Key Corp, I'm at $99 in estimated income quarterly. Of course, that's not guaranteed, but you're seeing the snowball effect kick in. So imagine I reach $100 in quarterly income with one of my dividend stocks that in Key Corp's actually in SCHD. So I'm very excited to see the dividend growth and dividend snowball effect kick in on my E-Trade dividend portfolio. But the most important thing is going over Arbor Realty Trust. Let's go over the most recent news. And of course, they had to make a statement because they were called out by Ninja Research before and Viceroy Research. Both of them are not very credible. And if you look at their presentations on their website, a kindergartner can do better than that. Viceroy Research has been inaccurate with many of their statements, and somebody that was a YouTube subscriber on my channel even said that they tried to short AMD, and they tried to say AMD is zero. You can correct me if I'm wrong with those guys. One of the guys actually is linked with the Russian government per sources. So again, these guys are very shady individuals. And on the article, it says Arbor reiterates its confidence in its financials and business practices. This is on July 15th, 2024. Following recent news reports, Arbor Realty Trust is issuing this announcement to reiterate its finances and business practices have been and are compliant with all of its accounting and regulatory obligations. As it has throughout its history, Arbor continues to conduct its business operations and practices in its best interests of its shareholders and consistent with its obligations to its broader stakeholders. Arbor complies with all notice and disclosure obligations, I can't really talk today, and other terms of CLO agreements. Arbor also complies with all of its disclosure and reporting obligations, including those relating to its second quarter activities. Arbor's annual financial statements are audited by an independent auditor. That's extremely important. And its quarterly reports are also reviewed by its external auditor. So you have outside sources looking at that. That is crucial. Okay? Because you need to cross your T's and dot your I's. Okay? Mortgage-backed real estate investment trust do have some issues. And from many articles that I've read before, it is not a surprise that a successful business is going to be looked at. Arbor stands behind its accounting as well as its originating and investing practices. That's why I bought more shares. Further, Arbor's policy and practice is to cooperate with its regulators. Arbor looks forward to discussing its second quarter performance in its upcoming earnings call in early August. So I just want to go over this. They're audited by an independent auditor, and its quarterly reports are also reviewed by its external auditor. So that's crucial, okay? I myself, okay, yes, I have earned dividends. I earn money on YouTube and X and Instagram. Do you really think I can have flawless things going on with my reporting and doing it accurately when I have no idea what I'm doing? No, because I have I have a very good CPA. And my CPA has been on my butt about certain things. So I hand everything I earn to my CPA that does my taxes for me and everything. That's crucial. Now, having an independent auditor, okay, and an external auditor is crucial because you don't want to make mistakes. And having an auditor, okay, I mean, they are so careful with what they do. And Kaufman, the CEO, I really think he's done a fantastic job. I do believe the numbers, which I'll go over. In May 8th, they called these guys out. And the important thing is, okay, they make statements to call out these people who are short seller and these short seller reports in the near future. Okay, right here. I like the way they are very tactical with their responses. They're very transparent with their earnings. Okay? Don't you think over time, if somebody does something stupid, they're going to get caught, or somebody's going to fess up or get fired? Okay? Just think about that when you're a business, especially when you have to report your earnings to the government. And everything has to be reported. They get audited all the time. Okay? People that you have to cross your T's and dot your I's. That's why they have those auditors. Okay? I'm going to go over a few more things. They are a high yield, mortgage-backed real estate investment trust. Okay? I like high yield dividend stocks as long as they're stable. Their revenue trends now with REITs, real estate investment trusts, I am very cautious with what I buy. I want to see consistent revenue. They don't have consistent revenue, they're out. Okay? They're not in demand, they're out. I'm very picky with real estate investment trusts that I own. And yes, I did own MPW. I'm pulling for them, but right now I'm not going to buy them. Okay? Revenue, they have some issues going on. I'm pulling for them. I'd love to invest back in them. They're huge. Arbor Realty Trust has been very consistent with their revenue. This is annually in millions US dollars. 2017, 346. 2018, 484. 2019, 535. 2020, 603. 2021, 799. 2022, 1,176. 2023, 1,624. So the revenue has gone up. That is consistent for me. And I'm going to jump to the dividend growth. So, this is why I went in them. And I bought a huge dip during the pandemic. 2019, quarterly dividend, 27 cents, 28 cents, 29 cents, 30 cents, 2020, 30 cents, 30 cents, 2020, 31 cents, 32 cents, 33 cents in 2021, 34 cents, 35 cents, 36 cents, 37 cents in 2022, 28, 38 cents, 2022, 39 cents, 2022, 40 cents, 2023, 42 cents, 43 cents, and it's a little stagnant, 43 cents. Now their dividend growth in 5 years for a high yielder, 9.88%. Funds for operations appear to be okay. If you bought one share, you made $1.72 with a 12.55% dividend yield. Forget about payout ratio. Remember, funds for operation is the most important thing. So yes, I did buy Arbor Realty Trust. I stand by Arbor Realty Trust. I'm going to continue to reinvest my dividends with Arbor Realty Trust. I plan on being long with Arbor Realty Trust unless something happens. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I will have a video for you tomorrow. Happy Dividend Warrior Wednesday. And are you holding on to Arbor Realty Trust? Do you like their statement? I love the statement. So you guys take care and have a good one. And I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. I still can't talk today. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So be aware and do your due diligence. It is best to seek financial advice from a financial advisor. Again, go see a financial advisor for financial advice. My YouTube channel is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Go see a tax advisor for tax advice or somebody certified to give tax advice. Don't use this YouTube channel. And I made it very clear, I have a CPA to do taxes for me in situations like that. And you need a financial advisor. So stop going to my channel for financial advice. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So be aware and do your due diligence. You're going to lose money in Arbor Realty Trust. I plan on being long in Arbor Realty Trust unless something drastically happens. Be aware, you can lose money. Do your due diligence when it comes to investing.